We're down to finishing touches and staging on the mill house. And this house has come a long way for a home that was set for demolition about 8 months ago. And most of this house has been rebuilt. There's new electric, new plumbing, new roof, and countless other things. We even pulled the grenades out of the yard that we found while removing some trees. And then we found some snakes in the walls. We got rid of those too. And the entire front porch was rotten, so we rebuilt that. But after all that work, it is finally paying off. And in a couple days, we will be putting this house on the market. And this house is technically 122 years old, and hopefully it can last another 122 years after all the work that we put into it. And so far, we've gotten great reactions through everybody that's walked into the living room or the kitchen. We installed this Calcutta quartz, that plaster style range hood, those built-ins, custom oak island. But my favorite thing has to be in this kitchen, this big chill fridge with this beautiful old school built-in. And these floors are phenomenal. They're actually pegged and screwed to all the joists, so you won't get any buckling. And the living room's good at any angle. I really enjoy it. And we're still staging the house. We're gonna bring in the beds for all our bedrooms next week. But here is the guest room, or maybe a kid's room. And I just think it's so awesome, and I love the character. And this is a small bathroom, and it used to be the only bathroom in the house, and we kept its original footprint. And we used all these signature hardware finishes so that it still feels high end, even though it's in a smaller space. And here's our arch detail you'll see throughout the house. And those dome lights, we use those all over as well. And this is our primary bedroom. And half the floor was rotten. You could probably see where we did a little bit of patch, but hey, it's an old house. You gotta have a little character. This is a laundry room / closet. And this used to be connected to the kitchen, but we wanted it to be connected to the primary master. So you walk into this big, giant, beautiful bathroom, and more signature hardware, beautiful finishes. But I've got to figure out a cover for that pipe. And this fireplace is not original. A lot of people think that it is. It actually is not working, but we wanted to add some character, just like this Big Chill is not vintage. Everybody thinks that it is. Big Chill appliances are definitely my favorite. More signature hardware, cast iron sink, and that faucet. And I swear, after we did this rock wall, I've seen it like 20 other times. It's really, this is gonna be a cool feature. And that's pretty much it for the tour. I appreciate everybody that's followed this long, drawn out journey on this house, and see you on the next one. So check back soon.